class. I did that at Lake Pleasant to the donkeys. Oh, I'll see you next week. I'll see you next week. That's a long way. It's a little chilly, but it still feels refreshing.
Oh, I got to check off on my bucket list.
Set the scene on a broken man. Kerosene and a little lamp. Just enough light to make out a figure. She got the thunder under her command. She got the lightning in the palm of her hand. And then now for the sun we can make it through the winter. Photograph under my bed, but she knows where I am, and they watch me almost every day. And I can take all the memories, and I can blow them to smithereens, but the ashes would fall and they'd recollect a figure. Hold your hand till it stops its shaking, and we'll have enough sun we can make it through the winter. And we'll have enough light that will make it through the winter. And I'll hold you so tight that we'll make it through the winter.